Here we all are. Since nobody has the camera. Ow. This stuff is sick.
Mine's in my car, so I mean.
Oh, I thought somebody was behind us. Damn.
Alright. What's the next time gonna happen? Oh, no, probably not. Yo, what up, Clay? How you doing? I don't know, man.
What are you doing?
Should if someone starts running up to it and pops out of the tunnel? Don't shoot that.
In the Navy.
Can I shoot the red dot? Sure, red dot's off, but how do you turn? Turn that. Yep. Oh, look, you got it. For the most part. It's like 50 meters tight. That's how you get, man. When I first shot it, I'd be looking at the tree out there, and I'd shoot Cody. That's how bad off it was. That's really, it's like, that's not right. That's weird, though. Can I shoot it once? Sure. Okay. Not Cody. Not me. Not Cody. Yeah. Pretty good. It hurts, though. Oh, that's me. 30. I'll do it. I'm fine with iron sights. Gang war!
You really want to do that?
It makes it a whole lot simpler. I'm not in the gang war. Do not shoot me. I have masters. Guys. Guys! No!
Hey, y'all, chill out. Chill out.
Chill out! We're good, man.
Everybody back.
That was like real life.
Sacrifice the infidels.
Okay. Sacrifice the infidel. Sacrifice him. Alright, no. Gang war. Alright, let's move on. No gang war. No. You guys.
I'm not, dude. Chill out. Hey, chill out now.
Alright. Damn it.
Yo.
You like gang war after what? Okay.
Ah.